Hey, Bubba does.
Hi everybody, today we're going to be drawing X from alphabet lore. I really hope you'll follow along with us. You'll need a black marker and something to color with. Let's get started. Okay, first we're going to start with our black marker. And we're going to draw the body of X. So here, we'll do this first side. And it comes in, and we'll stop right there. Now we're going to come back out and around and back up and stop right there. Come down again and around and then up and stop right there. Come out, around, back in, and we'll stop right there. Perfect. Now we'll do these lines and this coming out the back. Same on this side. We have those two lines. And this coming off the back. Now let's move into the face and do the eyes. So we have these really big eyebrows. And then another one right here. And a couple lines. Then we have this flower shape right here. Perfect. And out and in. And out and in. And the pupils are black. Fill those in. And this really cool V, upside down V-shaped mouth. Perfect. And there we have the outline for X. So this one doesn't have too much color. It's almost all white, but we'll fill in some purple up here. Some more back here. Perfect, and then we'll add some shadow with our colored pencil. Do some right here, a little right here, and just a little bit on this side too. Perfect. And there we have X.
Yay!
Wow, this one turned out really cool. If you don't like how yours turned out, that's okay. Just keep practicing. Maybe watch the video again, pause it if you need to, and you'll get better, I promise. We'll talk again really soon. Bye.
Please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. This helps YouTube continue to share our videos so that more kids around the world can continue to learn how to draw with Bubba. Thank you!
Big box. Videos.